Improving quality in treatment planning by driving out variability. Here on the screen, I have a prostate plan loaded. This is a VMAP plan with two arcs. The quality reports allows you to remove some of the subjectivity out of determining whether a treatment plan is quote unquote good or not. Now, the heartbeat of quality reports is being a unique EMR report generating tool, which really speeds up the time for plan analysis and creating these great billing compliant documents. I'm going to fly past the tabs at the top here and go straight to the quality tab. The quality tab has a lot of great different options here. I'm going to start with this idea of something that we're very familiar with when we're looking at determining the overall plan quality. We look at things like target coverage, like organ at risk sparing. We have defined goals from the physician that say, I want this met, or I'm willing to accept this, following a similar mindset with common industry standard protocols. Quality reports allows you to build those clinical goals into what we call an algorithm. And you can generate some great reports from this. This allows you to look at things in a very aesthetically pleasing way of what is ideal, what is acceptable, and then of course the failure being in red. And you can see all of the metrics associated with this plan that are listed here on the screen. And of course, the desired goals. Now, when we look at this scorecard here, let me blow up a report. You can see that this is driven in a way that once we've collected the metrics from this particular plan that was loaded in, it reports what was acceptable and what was ideal. And of course, we could generate this report and put it into our EMR. Now, if you're interested in establishing a quality system within your department, there is this toggle switch, which essentially what it does is it allows you to convert that pass-fail ideal mindset into an objective score. In other words, completely customizable to you. You can look at things like target coverage and assign a score for each individual metric. Some things like target coverage could be weighted higher than, let's say, an organ at risk metric. It's completely up to you. The bottom line is by establishing this objective way of looking at a plan, you get this quantified number on the scorecard, and this PQM button lights up in the software. And then what Quality Reports allows you to do is take that data point and put it into a distribution. This is what we like to call a performance record. And of course, you can include this on your EMR report and your documentation. But in terms of establishing a quality system for continual improvement, we have proven through work with many institutions and also within our own company at ROR that establishing some type of measurement on plan quality allows you to improve and establish benchmarks which you can track over time. And that's really all this performance record is. You can see that there's some great statistical information across the top. And by looking at this perspective, really the end goal would be to look at not only the overall quality of the plan, but to drill down on plans that may be to the left side of the distribution curve and try to figure out where are areas where we can improve overall. So if you're interested in establishing a turnkey quality system for your department, Quality Reports allows you to do this in a nice and efficient way.